Illustration 12. Government cultivate a farm of 96 hectares to grow tomatoes of 4 varieties: Royal, Golden, Juicy and Sunny. Of the total, 68 hectares are suitable for all the 4 varieties and the remaining 28 hectares are suitable for only Golden and Juicy. There is no constraint for labor and the minimum production is 1000 boxes for each variety. Here they have given any one variety, that means 1000 boxes of each variety. Then the farmers engaged have decided that area devoted should be in complete hectares and not in fractions. And the other limitation is no variety should exceed 22,750 boxes. That is, the maximum limit is 22,750 boxes. And they have given other cost and fixed cost. Then first question is, with the given constraint, the area to be cultivated with each variety of tomatoes, if the largest total profit has to be achieved, then we have to, second question is, we have to find the profit. And see here, last para, a nationalized bank has come forward to help in the improvement program of the 28 hectares, only 28 hectares, okay, in which only Golden and Yellow will grow, with a loan of 5,000 at a very nominal interest of 6% per annum. With this improvement, there will be a saving of 1.25 rupees per box in the harvesting cost of Gold and Yellow, and 28 hectares will become suitable for growing Royal, Red, in addition to existing Golden and Juicy. Assuming that other constraints continue, find the maximum profit. That's it. First, we have to find the contribution per hectare, because we have to apportion the hectares based on the priority. First one is sales. Sales realized per hectare, that is 350 boxes into market price 15.38 rupees, which is equal to 5383. Next, 100 boxes into 15.87, it is 1587. Next, 70 boxes into 18.38, it is 1286.6, and here 180 into 22.27, 4008.6. Next one is variable cost. Direct material, they have given directly, so there is no calculation. 476, 216, 196, and here 312. Next cost is growing cost per hectare. $896,608, 371, and here 528. Next one is harvesting and parking. 350 boxes into 3.6, 1260, and 100 boxes into 3.28, 328, 70 into 4.4, 308, and here 180 into 5.2, 936. Next one is transport cost. You calculate as same as harvesting and parking. 350 into 5.2, 1820, and 100 into 5.2, 520, and here 70 into 4, 280, and 180 into 9.6, 1728. Next, you total the variable cost. 4,452, 1,672, 3,155, 3,504. It is total variable cost, and then contribution. You subtract total variable cost from sales, you will get 931, and here minus 85, 131.6, and for Sunny 504.6. Next one is ranking. One, and here 2, third rank, and the fourth one. And the next one is statement showing optimum product mix and computation of profit. For that, first we need is minimum production, that is minimum boxes to be produced, 1000 for all the varieties, and the hectares are required for this minimum production. For this minimum production, see, there are 1000 boxes divided by 350 boxes per hectare, so you will get the hectares, that is 3. Next one is 1000 divided by 100 boxes per hectare, here 10, and 1000 divided by 70, 1000 divided by 180, you will get 6 hectares. Totally there are 33 hectares here. And then remaining land apportioned on basis of given data. See, there is a condition that 28 hectares are suitable to cultivate only golden and juicy. So see here, there is 10 hectares here and 14 hectares here. The balance is 4 hectares. Based on the ranking, we have to allocate the hectares. See, you consider only golden and juicy. It is 4, and here the ranking is 3. Which one is in first place? The juicy, which is third rank. So we have to allocate the balance 4 hectares here in juicy. And then the balance hectares are 59 hectares, and you consider all the 4 varieties, and the first ranking is royal, so you allocate just 59 hectares here, and the total is 63. If you had these 2 hectares, you will get 96 hectares, and the total number of hectares are here 62, 10, 18, 6. The total is 96 hectares. And then contribution per hectare. We have calculated in first statement 931, 85, 131.6, and here 504.6, and the total contribution, you multiply number of hectares with contribution per hectare, you will get 57,722, and here 850. For juicy 2368.8, and here 3027.6, and the total contribution is 62,268.4. Next one is fixed cost. You add those 4 fixed costs, that is 11,200 plus 7,400 plus 7,200 plus 1,200. You will get 36,000. And the profit is 26,268.4. It is the answer for first question, and it is the answer for second question. Next one is statement showing optimum mix after the improvement program and computation of profit. For this, first we need hectares required for minimum production. Three, 10, 14, 6. The total is 33 hectares. And now we have to apportion the remaining land. Remaining land apportioned. For this we have some working. See, the remaining hectares are 96 minus 33 is 63 hectares. And in question they have given that there is a maximum production, that is 22,750 boxes has to be produced, and it should not exceed that limit. So which one is in first rank? The Royal, right? So 22,750 divided by 350 boxes per hectare. It is 65 hectares. That is the maximum hectares that we can use for cultivation. So already here we have 3 hectares and the balance is 62 hectares. And which one is in second place in ranking? That is Sunny. So you allocate the balance 1 hectare here, and that's it. The total is 63. And now total number of hectares. Here 65, 10, 14, 7, and the total hectares is 96. Next one is contribution per hectare. 931. And for golden you have some another calculation because there is a saving in harvesting cost. The sales of golden is 1,587, and the variable cost is 1,672. And what is the savings? 1.25 rupees into 100 boxes. It is 125, and you subtract these two and you will get 1,547, and the contribution is 40. So now here you put 40, and then for Juicy 131.6, and for Sunny 504.6, and there is no change in these three. Next, total contribution. You multiply number of hectares with the contribution per hectare. You will get 60,515, and here 400, 1,842.4, and here 3,532.2, and the total contribution is 66,289.6. Next one is fixed cost. We have calculated that fixed cost is 36,000, and here we have to add the interest also. So 5,000 into 6%, and you will get 36,300, and the profit is 29,989.6. That's it.